welcome back to another one. Today we're going to be learning about Modulo in Java. Now you probably might be like, what is Modulo? So if we bake, let's say 10 cookies and gave them out in batches of 3, how many would we have left over after giving out all of the cookies? So imagine you have 3 friends and you give them all 3 cookies. You have 10 cookies. How many cookies do you have left? You have 1 cookie left because 3, you can take 3, 3, 3, and you have 1 left. So think of it as the remainder. Okay, and then modulo can be a very tricky topic. So let's try another example. So what is, let's see. So we need to know whether a number is even or odd. An even number is divisible by 2. Modulo can help. Now, how can it help? Well, let's say you divided something by like some number mod 2. If you get a remainder of 1, that means it's odd. If you get a remainder of 0, you get even. So that's basically the whole concept, just the remainder. And a lot of people overthink this one, but I think the more you do Java, the more you code, you'll get used to it. But just remember, it's the remainder. So if you have, let's say, 10, and you have 10 mod 4. What's 10 mod 4? Well, it's 2. Now, how do I know that? Because you have to realize what multiple of 4 can go into 10. Well, 2 times 4 is 8. And 8 can go into 10, 10. And then you have 2. But you don't have a multiple of 4 that can go into 2. So your remainder is 2. Anyways, so you're trying to split up students into groups of 3. How many students will be left out once the groups are made? Create a variable called left out that holds the modulo of students in 3. All right, and then we print it out. So we can simply just do int, and then we'll do left out. Let me know how many of you guys were ever left out of these groups. I used to get left out, but then once you start talking more and more to people, like you'll start becoming like friendly and they would want you in their group. So just talk to people, and ultimately that's how you get connections. That's really how you stand out against the crowd, because if a lot of people know you, then you have more credibility, and it just leads to a lot of really good benefits. I do recommend doing that. But as far as this, I've been coding while talking, so I'll explain it real quick. So we have a variable called left out that's students mod 3, meaning we want the remainder once we keep taking out multiples of 3, and then we print it out. So what do you guys think it should be? Well, let's think. So what is 3 times 8? 26. No, 24. 24. So that means we'll have 2 people left out. See? 2. Perfect. And then in the next video, I'll be teaching you guys compound assignment operators. So definitely stay tuned for that. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a great day.